Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important this bodies design easily and clearly. And this product is a grease nipple 45-degree angle is inclined, and this is a inclined of 45-degree angle, and this project is a grease nipple design. And how to this body design easily and clearly, and all dimension is mentioned here clearly, you can see here on the screen, and this is a thread value is also available here. Okay, let's start here this body is design easily and clearly. Okay, this is the final product is designed here, and how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all thread is mentioned here, and all is a perfect and correct, and this is a ball is also drawing here. Okay, and this body is a design here easily and clearly. Let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and setting is this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this curve and this geometry, and this geometry is this is a perfect, and this curve, okay, this curve is 6, radius is 6 millimeter, and this curve is a 2.2 millimeter, this length is 5 millimeter, and this length is distance is a 5 millimeter, and this whole distance is okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this is a 8 millimeter, and this full length is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, drawing some geometry and mention all dimension one by one. Okay, at first select a front plane, line is drawing this to this, and drawing a curve is this, and again drawing a curve this, and select a straight line, and this is a line, and drawing a straight, and this is a perfect, and connect to this. Okay, and this center point, and press a control button, and this origin point is a coincident. Okay, and align all dimension is a this is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 2.2 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and relation is this is a tangent, and okay, and next is this length is a distance is 5 millimeter, and this distance to this distance is a 16 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a distance is 16 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is also 5 millimeter, and this distance is a this to this is 8 millimeter. Okay, and this center point to this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. 6.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all dimension is fully defined, and all dimension is correct, and all is fully defined, and click OK. And because this is a perfect, and this distance is a 16 millimeter, and this length is 5 millimeter is equal to this, and this distance is 5 millimeter, and full is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter, and this distance is 8 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to this revolve base and going to this and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a fillet is used here, and 0.5 is a this to click OK. And use a chamfer is a 1 millimeter 45 degree angle, and this is a this, click OK. And next is a select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a 3 millimeter diameter, and 3 millimeter diameter, and this, okay, this is a cutting here. This distance is a 3 millimeter diameter, and height is a 26.2 millimeter, and use a extrude cut is a 26 millimeter 26.2. Okay, and this is a okay, all is perfect. And this is a use again, select this face, sketch normal, and draw a hexagon is very important, and this is a use a vertical line. Okay, and again select a circle is a big circle. Okay, and this distance is a this is a distance is a 14.2 millimeter, and this is a circle is 20 millimeter. This circle is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 14.2 millimeter is perfect. And going to extrude cut is a only 5 millimeter, so this is sufficient for this, and okay, this is a perfect, and all is correct. Okay, and next is very important, and going to this 45 degree angle and drawing a this design, and this design is a 45 degree angle, and this is a perfect. And again select a front plane, sketch normal, or drawing a center line is a this to this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and dimension is a this to this is a 45 degree angle. Okay, and exit. Okay, and again select a top plane, and this is a plane. Okay, and select a this. Okay, and use a this is a top plane, and use a angle is 45 degree angle, and going to this project. Okay, and along sketch normal and flip offset, and this is a flip offset. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use this is a perfect. Okay, and use all is perfect and click OK. And next is a again select a this plane, and use this again select a plane, and this distance is a 3.6 millimeter, and okay, this is a 3.6 millimeter is extrude cut. Okay, again select a 3.6 millimeter and click OK, and this plane is hide. Okay, and select this sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a normal. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is drawing a diameter is a 10. Okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only direction is reverse, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a hide, and again select this hide. Okay, and again select a front plane sketch normal. Okay, and right plane is better. Right plane sketch normal. Okay, okay, and again select a center line. Center line is this to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a this line to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect line. Select this is use a 45-degree angle. Okay, again select this is a okay, and select a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this line is a this, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, all is mentioned here. This select a line connect this to this line and draw this. Okay, and select this line. Okay, this is a perfect, drag a circle. Circle is this to this. Okay, and this line to press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and this dimension is a 11. Okay, and this dimension is a radius is 4. Okay, and this line and this line select a parallel. Okay, and again select a this is a okay, this is a 3. and select this line to this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and again select this line is a 3 millimeter, and again select this line to this 3 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is a and this circle is a radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, and this center point and this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and next is this is a 5 millimeter. Again this length is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and all is a fully defined, and this is a perfect. All is fully defined and correct, and this is a this length is a okay, this is a 4 millimeter is distance, and this is a 5 millimeter is distance is this, and this is a distance is 11 millimeter, and this curve radius is 2 millimeter. And okay, all is perfect, and this distance is 5 millimeter. Okay, 5 millimeter, this is 11 millimeter, radius is 2 millimeter, and this 5 millimeter and 4 millimeter is perfect. All is correct. And again select revolve base, select this face, sketch normal. Okay, and again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this to this, and again select a circle, and this is a vertical line, and again select a circle. Circle is a some big circle, and this is use a 9 millimeter is perfect, and this use a 11 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and 12 millimeter is better. Okay, 11 is perfect. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is some use a this and click OK. Okay, this is a better and perfect, and this face, sketch normal, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this is a this hole is 3 millimeter is dia, and use a cut is okay. This diameter is a 3 millimeter, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a up to surface. Okay, up to surface means this is a perfect. Okay, this is up to surface. Okay, this is up to surface. This is a perfect, and click OK. And some use a this is a cutout is, and use a this is a right plane, and okay, this is a cutout is nice looking here, and okay, and next is a use a this a ball is a okay, and use a right plane, sketch normal, and some use a center line, center line to this to this. Okay, a circle is a drawing here. This is a diameter is 3 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and this is a line is a this line is this, and some extra portion is cutted here. Okay, and guys, this is a very important. This is very important, and use a 3 cutout 3 dia, and this circle is a radius is 3 millimeter, diameter is 3 millimeter, radius is 1.5 millimeter, and distance is a 12 millimeter. And revolve boss base, use this and click OK. OK, and click OK. And this face sketch, and use a chromium and click OK. And again select this brush, click OK. And this plane is hide. Okay, this is perfect. And okay, and fillet is a chamfer is apply here a point 2 millimeter, and this to this chamfer, and click OK. This is a perfect. And next is use a thread, and all point is correct. All point is discuss here one by one. And thread is apply, length is 10, and pitch is 1, size is M7, and apply a thread. Thread is select this, and offset is 2 millimeter, and direction is reverse, and this distance is 10 millimeter, and metric die is perfect, and M size M7, and multiply pitch is 1, all is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one, and all is a mention here is correct. And this is a use a 45-degree is angle, and this is a perfect body is drawing here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. Guys, all point is discussed here one by one. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box, write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is design. And this is a pin design, and this pin is very useful in office, any university, or and any school, college. And this pin is very important, and this is a very important, and this is a use office use here. And guys, and this pin is designed today discuss here, and how to this body is design. And also this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And guys, this is this body is very nice looking here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view, right view, and this is a right view means side view, and both is this all is a drafting here. And some important point is discussed here, all dimension in millimeter, and dome 1 millimeter is this is a elliptical dome, and 1 millimeter, and thickness is 2 millimeter is this thickness is 2 millimeter, and fillet is used here, this fillet is used here 18 millimeter, and some important point is discussed here. Okay, and okay, this body is a design here, and this is a looking perfect and correct, and this is a very useful and helpful use office. And okay guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner student, is very important also. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first drawing a part, and some important point is discussed here. Plane is white, and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this is a all geometry and all body is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this and at first drawing this circle, and this circle is this is a use a 10 diameter is 10 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 3 millimeter, and this is a drafting is available. This is a drafting is used here. Angle is 22 degree. Okay, and use a front plane because this body is a looking a front. Okay, and draw a circle, and the circle diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and use a use a draft on, and angle is a 22 degree. Okay, and this point is use here. This is use of fillet is 2 millimeter, and and use of fillet is 2 millimeter, and use of this. And this is a perfect. And next is a next is a this line is drawing here, and this line is used here. This is a convert entities, and this 6 degree angle is drafting, and this length is a 99 millimeter is perfect. And this face is a sketch, and use a convert entities, and extrude boss, and this length is 9 millimeter, and also this draft angle, this draft is use a 6 degree angle. This is a perfect. This use a 6 degree angle, and this length is 9 millimeter and correct. This is a perfect. And next is also this sketch, and use a convert entities. And next is use here this body is design, and use this and use this 0.8 millimeter, and this use a 82 degree angle. Also perfect and correct. And use a extrude boss, and this length is 0.88. This is a perfect 0.80. 0.8 millimeter, and this body is correct. And this use a this use a perfect. And this is a correct. This thickness is available here, and this is a use of this. And and use a and this is a 82 and draft outward, and this is a perfect. This use a 0.8 millimeter and 82 degree is a draft, and draft is outward, and click OK. This is a perfect. And also this face sketch, and this thickness is used here. Okay, and use a convert entities and extrude boss. Extrude boss is this thickness is a 0.4 and click OK. 0.4 this is very nice looking here, and correct. This 0.4 thickness is perfect, and use a dome. This feature and dome is 1 millimeter, and click this face and use elliptical dome. This is a perfect. Click OK. This is very nice looking here, and this okay, and some color is a okay, this color is select here, and also okay. This is a perfect color and very nice looking here. And next point is a pin is drawing here, and some use a important point. This pin is this diameter is a 2 millimeter, and at first drawing this inside is 6 millimeter, and outward is a 15 millimeter, and again 3 millimeter is 90 degree. Okay, draft is available here. Okay, at first select this face sketch, a normal, or drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this use a 2 millimeter diameter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 6 millimeter inside direction. Okay, and okay, and again this face sketch normal, and convert entities. Okay, and use extrude boss base is apply here, and this thickness is 15 millimeter. Okay, and 15 millimeter is a this is a merge result is unchecked, because this is a very important. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and this and color is change here, and color is a chrome plate, and OK, chrome plate, and also use a nickel. Nickel is also okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Check undo, and this is a also check nickel. Nickel is perfect, but chrome plate is better. Chrome plate is better. Okay, and next is a this is a perfect, and also select this face sketch. Convert entity is used here, and also use extrude boss, and this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and use a draft angle, and draft angle is a 90 degree. Okay, use a 90, but this is a perfect, and click OK. And also this and chrome plate is used here, And one important point is this is a fillet is a this thickness is not a use here, but some missing point, and this dome is 1 millimeter, okay, correct, and fillet is a 18 millimeter, and this is a 18 millimeter is very important. And this fillet is used here, and click this line, and this is a 18 millimeter, and click this line and connect to this, and very important for this, and click this fillet, use a chrome plate. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This pin body is designed here easily and clearly. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learned here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.